Hi guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. Today I'll be showing you how I made this dress, and it's a very easy DIY. Actually I lie, but it's quite easy. Let's go. So the dress started off like this, and I decided to cut it in half because on the sides there was a bit of mesh. I'm gonna see if I can show you guys where the mesh is. So this was the mesh paneling. It was on both sides, and once I removed that, it instantly made the dress a lot more tighter and smaller. I still had to take it in a bit, but it wasn't too bad. I also made sure to cut the sleeves as well. I made sure to keep the sweetheart neckline, as you can see. Once that was done, I made sure to start pinning together the garment, and I wanted to keep this bit in because I nearly forgot to turn the dress inside out so it's the right sides together, because if not I would have sewn the dress incorrectly. So make sure to do that. This is where I kind of messed up because the pile kind of changed at the back, but I still like the way it came out. So yeah, make sure right sides together and then pin. Took the garment to my sewing machine where I put it on a zigzag stitch, and I increased the stitch length as well so that it would give me more stretch. I didn't show it there, but I did, and I had to re-up on my bobbin because this was a big piece. Moving on to the ruffles, I literally cut massive strips. I'll bring up the measurements in my description below, but I literally hemmed the edges to stop it from fraying, but it didn't work because I just did like a basic zigzag stitch on the hems, not like a proper hem, and I wish I did a proper hem because yeah, it would have been neater, but we'll do that for next time. And then I just went to my sewing machine and I started the process. This technique is a little bit tough. It's basically like push into the foot or push the fabric under the foot to create the ruffle, and then do a zigzag stitch. Push into a ruffle and then a zigzag stitch. I can do a detailed tutorial on my TikTok. I think that's what I'll start doing, is those little technique tutorials on TikTok, or maybe a YouTube short. But yeah guys, this part was stressing me out, especially if you do have nails. This is when I was like, oh my goodness, this dress will be the death of me, but it looked good. So once that was done, I got my ruffles. Guys, I must say the ruffles do shrink once you've done them, so you might want to do like 20, but this is like the fun part because you can start seeing the vision happening, and this is just me pinning it down to what I liked, and you just want to keep doing that. And the bonnet is by So Right Fashion if you're interested, but yeah, this is me just doing that. Okay, so guys, this was the toughest part, and that was attaching this ruffle material directly onto the dress, because like if you like stop paying attention, it will just like sew the ruffle, and then that's when your machine starts to jam and you have those problems. So take your time and yeah, just watch me do this. I also added extra detailing on the chest area, you'll see once I'm done. So yeah, here's a little time lapse. This is how the dress was looking. To do the top chest part, it was so easy. I literally just did a strap just going around my chest to the back and connected it. This was me seeing if I should add more and make it attach like all the way around, but I just thought no, as you can see with the way I tossed that to the side, so I just thought this was cute like that. And yeah guys, that's basically it. This is the whole look.